Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right side hinge bracket in this LG refrigerator, you will need a step stool, a 10mm socket with ratchet, and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Before attempting any repairs, you should unplug the power to the appliance. Unscrew both Phillips head screws and remove the hinge cover. Use tape to hold doors in place when removing top hinge brackets. Now remove the 3 10mm bolts and pull the bracket up from the studs to remove. Remove the new hinge bracket from the package. Set the bracket in place over the studs, then secure with the 10mm bolts. You can now remove the tape. Snap the hinge cover into place over the hinge bracket and secure with both screws. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.